Let's talk ROI or return on investment. So it's a financial metric that's used to evaluate the profitability. In other words, essentially, is the cost of something worth it and will it bring you profit? So one of our most basic packages, but also the most powerful, is our Model 300. So if you were to get a Model 300, what are we looking at monthly cost-wise and then the ROI on that?
These numbers we're using are generic packages. Obviously, they're going to go up or down depending on what the customer wants, which is great because they can tailor it to their everyday needs. So in a basic 300 package, we're looking at a ticket of about $6,000. Your finance payment on that is $193 a month plus any applicable taxes. So currently, the average industry standard for a job on that unit is roughly $200 and upwards of $750. So if you take our $193 payment amount, one job pays for your unit for the rest of the month. That's keeping all your capital of $6,000 in your pocket, using our money to make money, and using that unit. So to have that unit, to break it down even further, that's $50 a week. Most, on average, this is one of our most used pieces of equipment in the field. And again, it speaks for itself. Keep that money in your pocket for the small payment of $193. That first job will pay for that. Everything else goes right into your pocket, adding to your bottom line.